Sunny start to the day. Well, once the sun does come up in about a half hour here, clear sky over downtown Omaha at the moment. 30 degrees for the temperature. It feels like 20 with those northwest winds. And look at that dry dew point, 8 degrees. Incredibly dry air over us. Wind chills early this morning. You can see it feels like the upper teens and low 20s across all of eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. They'll stay that way through the morning drive. By midday, right around 30 degrees, and it feels like temperatures stay in the 30s through most of the afternoon, all because of more gusty northwest winds. You can see after the sun comes up, they could start gusting 30, maybe 35 miles an hour around the metro. So another breezy day coming up. A lot of sun, though. We might spin in a few high thin clouds later on this afternoon. You can see them right here across the panhandle of Nebraska. Otherwise, a lot of sun today, and temperatures staying in the mid 40s around the metro, maybe some upper 40s and near 50 down to our southwest, low 40s over parts of western Iowa. So we have the gusty northwest winds today. They calm down tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be the day where everything stops blowing around outside. But gusty winds are back on Friday. These are going to be 35 to 40 mile an hour winds out of the south. And that brings in warmer temperatures as we head into the weekend. A potential top 10 day on Saturday as the winds calm down a little bit. 76 Saturday, Easter Sunday up to 81. But those gusty winds will be back. And with the gusty winds, especially Friday and again Sunday, very high fire dangers those days. We don't really have a lot of rain in the forecast. A lot of temperatures in the 80s early next week. Just small overnight thunderstorm chances on Sunday, maybe another one popping up on Tuesday.